Introduction to Azure SQL Scale-Out Backup. Azure SQL Scale-Out is a feature that allows you to distribute your database across multiple servers to improve performance and availability. Backing up your Azure SQL Scale-Out database is crucial to prevent data loss in case of failures or disasters. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to back up your Azure SQL Scale-Out database. Understanding the backup process. Before you start the backup process, it is essential to understand the different types of backups available. Full backup captures the entire database. Differential backup captures the changes made since the last full backup. And transaction log backup captures the transaction log records. Step-by-step backup process. To back up your Azure SQL Scale-Out database, follow these steps. First, create a storage account to store your backups. Then create a shared access signature to grant access to the storage account. Next, create a credential to authenticate to the storage account. After that, create a backup device to specify the backup location. Best practices for backup. It is recommended to schedule regular full backups and frequent transaction log backups. You should also test your backups regularly to ensure they are valid and can be restored. Consider using automation tools to simplify the backup process and reduce the risk of human error. Restoring from backup. In case of a failure or disaster, you can restore your database from the backup. To restore the database, follow these steps. First, connect to the master database. Then use the restore database command to restore the database from the backup file. Conclusion. Backing up your Azure SQL Scale-Out database is essential to prevent data loss. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure your database is backed up regularly and can be restored in case of a failure or disaster. Remember to schedule regular backups and test them regularly to ensure they are valid and can be restored.